Stop scrolling. Let me show you how just 5 people can replace your car payment by month 2. 5 people in your rotator is $640 a month. That's not theory, that's math. And the kicker? Our team rotator feeds you while you build it on your own. And if you stay with me to the end, I'll show you exactly how this can pay for itself before month 2. Plus the 3 unfair bonuses that make this system impossible to ignore. Home Business Academy Cost Breakdown. Affiliate Marketing 2025. You're bleeding cash on $97 tools that never pay you back. That's not a business, that's a treadmill disguised as progress. 5 in, 5 paying, 5 stacking, while you sleep, while you eat, while you live. That's leverage, not labor. Drop a comment if you've ever been burned by $97 tools that never paid you back. Now, nobody shows you the math. Funnel Builder, $25, 20 out. Let's go, $10 in, $8 out. Premium, $125 in, $100 out. That's $160 in cost, $128 back per referral per month. 2 people per level and you're already in profit. That's $256 against $160. In other words, $96 profit. Fast, simple, done. Hit subscribe if you want me to break down this math step by step in future videos. So Social Machine is a slot machine. Posts can vanish in 24 hours. Viral is luck, not leverage. That's why most people grind for likes and end up broke. Evergreen content is different. It can last forever. Years from now, you can see a video that somebody posted. It happens all the time. It's compounding interest in attention form. One ranked video is an asset. It works 24/7 and it can stack sales. That's a lifetime value from a single piece of work. And here's the kicker. The same training that has me ranking every single video on the first page of YouTube shows you and your team how to do it. That's not gambling, that's engineering. This morning I woke up to a $28 rebill. That means the system and our team are working as intended. And within the last week, $145 auto deposited into my account. I didn't have to cash out, it automatically dropped. That's someone that paid me the $145. I don't know them. They found me through my videos. I'd never even spoken to him before. And then he messaged me out of the blue, said he had a few questions, and then he was ready to start. So right now I'm at $176 in monthly residual income, on pace for $2,112 in the next 12 months. That's not hype, that's proof. Smash that like button if you want me to keep showing live drops like this. Now most teams stall because plans change weekly. Beginners drown, quit, and nothing duplicates. That's why our training site is the backbone, and it's free at every level. The moment you join, you're not just buying tools, you're plugging into a duplication engine. It trains you, your current members, and every future member signs up for the exact same system. The exact daily steps to get you traffic, leads, and signups for any online program. That's the difference between chaos and compounding. The first step is to schedule a coaching call with our team leader, and you watch these videos for every step, right? He takes you exactly through how to do every single thing. Say, look, book and call. Step 1, set up your HBA system, okay? That's live with our trainer, okay? Now, compare this. ClickFunnels, $97 a month. No duplication, no rotator. Courses, inspiration without a foundation. 2 overload. 10 logins, 0 results. HBA, 1 system. 1 daily routine. Proof that keeps building. Home Business Academy Cost Breakdown. Affiliate Marketing 2025. That's why with the bonuses I'm about to show you make this unfair. But before I show you the bonuses, I want to show you actual payment proof, okay? So you can see this e-wallet, $34.50. That's not loading, so I'll move on to the next one and come back to it. $445 that I mentioned earlier. $83.05. And this should be $650, I believe. But while it loads, I'm going to log into my online banking, okay? I'm also going to show you the back office for payment proof too. So I'm showing you my emails, I'm showing you the back office, and I'm showing you my online banking. How about that? 145, and I don't know why this is loading so quick, slowly. 157.42, okay? Now look, $145. Right there, $145. Home Business Academy payout. There's the $650, the $34.50, and the $83.05. There's the $650 right there. And so I'm going to go to Home Business Academy. You know, watch. I'm going to go to my residual income. Now look, $176 with just 3 people, with 3 teammates. Now let's go 2 customers at $16 a month. The Funnel Builder Academy, 3 customers at $20 a month. That's $60. And the Premium Traffic and Conversions Academy is $100. $160, $176 matches up perfectly with there's 3 people. Now look at this. The 3-month projection is $528. The 6-month projection is $1,056, and the annual projection is $2,112. That's again what I'm on pace for. Now I want to smash that. I want to way past that because I don't want to be doing this anymore. I don't want to be retiring at 70 and only live 10 years of my life, okay? And not even be able to enjoy it because I'm so tired, right? Now, the team rotator access, you're not alone, okay? So right here, okay, enter the traffic rotator. Member zone, Let's Go, Funnel Builder, and Premium get access to the sponsor's team traffic rotator. So in my case, you go all in with the residual incomes that I mentioned right here, and you can get traffic, leads, and signups, and potentially sales, up to $128 per person per month. Now, can you imagine how fast you can do that? Not only that, but you could have your own rotator. We give that as a bonus. Can you imagine that? You're giving a bonus that teaches people how to get $128 per person. Okay? For any program. This training site will build any program. Whatever you're doing, you don't have to change a thing, okay? And you get this training site at any level, okay? Whether it's HBA Funnel, Let's Go app, HBA Premium, Home Business Academy Premium, or Home Business Academy Funnel Builder, okay? Now, imagine traffic, leads, and sales for you while you're still learning. That's borrowed momentum. Tag me in. I'm your tag team partner, and I'll drive the traffic and help you build your list, okay? Proof in motion before you've even built your audience, okay? I'm working for you. You also get your own rotator, like I mentioned. By the end of month 2, imagine 5 people in your rotator. That's $640 a month flowing in. You control it. That's your machine compounding month after month. Bonus 3 is the daily training and duplication site. This site right here. This isn't theory. It's exact same training that has me ranking every single video on the first page of YouTube. And consistently on Google's first page too. And I'm going to show you that in just a minute. The system trains you, your current members, and every future sign up on how to drive traffic, leads, and sales for any online program, how to build attraction marketing. Now, most people, either they don't know how to do it or they're scared to teach you. Well, we're not scared to teach you. We want you to succeed with it, whatever you want to build. Okay? That means your people don't just don't just join, they stick. They duplicate and they pay you. That's how you build a business that compounds instead of collapses. Now lock in Funnel Builder, Let's Go, and Premium today. I'll add your link to my rotator and send you traffic. You can get the same bonus to your team. That's how you scale with burning out. Now the smart person will jump on this. they'll get the Let's Go, the Funnel Builder, and the Premium. They'll get in my rotator, and I'll start driving traffic for them. And me, we'll split it 50-50, and you'll get the most traffic of anybody. And not only that, but you can have your own rotator so that people can pay you up to $128 a person. Okay? Now, if they join it, the Let's Go app, you will get $8 a month per person. If they join at the Funnel Builder, you get $20 per person. If they get Premium, you get $100 per person. And if they get all three, so they can get in your rotator, that's $128 per person per month, right? So decide, do you want to keep paying rent on a treadmill, or do you want a system that pays for itself and keeps compounding? Okay? This will build any program. This will teach you the exact same things I'm doing to dominate YouTube. And I'm about to show you right now. Okay? Screw that. I'm about to show you right now. So you know I'm not bullshitting. Okay? So Home Business Academy, step by step. This is Google. And you can see I'm incognito. So this is real ranking results. Okay? Guess what? Number 1 on the YouTube over Mike Hobbs. Okay? And here's a YouTube video. So 2 YouTube videos, okay? That we're going on Google, the first page of Google. So we're moving on. Step-by-step revealed. It's the same term. We're going to check it on YouTube, okay? To see if it was just luck on Google. Okay, so that's one. I'm only looking for one thing. On the other one, I had two videos, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one term. Now, every time I show my thing, 5, 6, imagine you, because this isn't about me, it's about you, okay? 7, and I'm stopping, I'm moving on, and that's a team member, Postcard Lifestyle, shout out to him, okay? Home Business Academy versus Network Marketing, we're going to check for it on Google. Instagram post. What? An Instagram post for JJ Solly. Okay, and there's a YouTube video, right, from 2 days ago. So 2 things on the first page of Google. So we're going to check that same exact term on YouTube, okay? There's a video right there from 10 days ago. Okay, and another one. And check this out. That's 6 months ago. This is evergreen content. You could posting. Look at this. 3 hours ago, no views. He's ranking on. This is a teammate, by the way, that's getting the same training. Look at this. 3 hours ago, Home Business Academy versus Network Marketing, and he doesn't have anywhere network marketing anywhere in his title. That's the power of this. Okay. Shout out Brian Zittleman. If you're watching this, I see you. There's another one, and another one. And there's Ariel Cheese getting the same training. So when I say you and your team, me, think you and your team. Make money online with JD. You don't have to train anybody. We'll train them for you. Okay? Home Business Academy, legit trap. There's my video right there. Okay, from 3 days ago. And on Google, so we're going to check on YouTube. So in each case, I'm showing you that I'm ranking on the first page of Google and I'm dominating YouTube. You can do this. If you stay consistent, that snowball, nobody's scared of a snowball, right? But if it's going downhill, it can be an avalanche of traffic forever for one piece of content ranking forever on YouTube and Google. So there's me right there from 3 days ago. And there's another one. And there's another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one bites the dust, right? And there's another one, right? Okay, so I've shown proof, right? This is Home Business Academy Cost Breakdown, Affiliate Marketing 2025. Now, I want to show you something real cool. That's very cool, right? So I'm going to actually do some training right here. I'm going to take one of my videos, right? I'll try to copy it. If not, I'm going to, with my mouse. If not, I'm going to use, there it is, copy. Okay, so I'm going to go back right here, and I'm going to change the title. This is more ways to get business for traffic for your site. Okay, these are backlinks. Okay, and you see I just put the title in, so now I'm going to go back and I'm going to get the share code, right? And why would you do this? So you can make a funnel and include them in emails. You can make a funnel with your page. It's more traffic for you, more eyeballs to your page, and a chance to get sales, right? The more you do this, the more Google trusts you. Okay, so this is a little hack. Okay, so I'm going to go boom, boom, boom. Okay, I need the thing, so I took that. Now I'm going to edit the video, right? Paste. You see how the video changed? Now I'm going to take the title again, right? Okay, so I'm getting the title. Now I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to change the title 4 times. Show settings. See, I'm giving you value right now. Uh-oh. What happened right there? Okay, so paste the same thing 4 times. Okay, it's automatically changing the title. It's adding, watch this. There's going to be hyphens on each one of these. Right. See? Paste and paste. Now, normally you'd hit save, but let's say you screw up. I'm going to hit back because I don't want to save those changes. I already have, look at all these video funnels I got, right? All these video funnels, you get more traffic, okay? And you send them to your email list, right? If you're not building your own pages, if you don't have your own funnel, if you're sending people to company pages, you're doing it the wrong way. You're not branding yourself, and everybody's seen those pages before. Why are they going to sign with you? You know, over here, right, we give you 150 email swipes. Okay, that's 5 months of traffic if you're sending an email every single day. Okay? 5 months. And if you do it every other day, that's almost a year full of content. So people will know, like, and trust you. They're seeing your videos. Get out of your comfort zone. A comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. Okay? So, again, I've shown you the site, right? The income projection, right? The 176. I showed you my bank account with the actual things. Then I showed you the e-wallet notifications. You can do this. And today I'll show you real quick. Inbox. Okay. Look at this. How cool is this, right? This is what I woke up to this morning, right? Hot diggity dancing dog. You just earned a commission. Not just one commission, by the way. This is 2 commissions, okay? And he already gave me permission to say his name, by the way. So, look. $20 and $8. Shout out Steve Murray, because he's not just paying once. I know him, and he's paying twice. It looks like I'm frozen right now. Okay, so you can do this. All you got to do is plug in, and we will help you build any program. And it does look like I'm completely frozen. This is Home Business Academy Cost Breakdown Affiliate Marketing 2025, and I'm JJ Solly. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yeah, definitely frozen. Have a good one. Take it easy, guys.